Hello student. Today we will start from question number 6. Okay, from the same exercise 7.3. Our question is exercise 7.3, question number 6 is sine to the power, integrate, the question is integrate the following, sine x, sine twice x, sine 3x into dx. So you see, last class we have discussed about the product থাকিলে আমি কি কৰিব লাগে লাষ্ট ক্লাছত অকমান ডিসকাস কৰিছিল ন সাম অর ডিফারেন্সত এক্সপ্রেস কৰিব লাগে so you see what is the formula of sin a sin b sin a sin b can be obtained when I do cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b is not it so I'll do that one so this is the formula you see sin a sin b can be obtained first you have to negative here cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b because if you break it will become cos a cos b plus sin a sin b minus cos a cos b both are cancel minus minus become plus and sin will be there is obviously there is a 2 okay so here I'll go to use this any two of them select two of them and use the formula that will be equal to what that is half 2 if I bring to the right it become half integration it is what cos a minus b that is what x minus twice x as I told you earlier also you may write it twice x minus x also but you cannot change this negative and positive this one x plus twice x and whole into I just wrap the formula whole into what is there sine thrice x into dx now do the calculation and open the bracket if you put cos of this is minus x minus cos of thrice x whole into sine of thrice x into dx right now again I can break it cos of minus theta is cos theta is not it so it become cos of x and sine of thrice x product also I have done together minus into dx is there minus half I just bring it multiply open the bracket cos of thrice x sine of thrice x into dx now if you want you can separate into two parts as naming as I1 and I2 do the calculation separately and ultimately substitute or if possible you do it together I'm doing it together so you see here I have cos a sin b form what is the formula of cos a sin b cos a sin b it can be written as sin this one sin of a plus b this can be written as sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b I'm taking sin thrice x this one sign of the expression I have to write first sin a cos b cos a sin b this just adjust it dx minus half again there is half sorry I forget to write this is then become 1 by 4 here also 1/2 is there again I will have a half again the same formula cos a sin b form but both of them are you see I can use here the same formula or I can bring it to the sine of double angle formula let me apply that to understand it properly I just take half common I bring 2 together with sin thrice x cos thrice x into dx and why hope you understand it I want to convert it into sin twice a form this is 1 by 4 integration of sine it is sine of 4x into dx plus 1 by 4 this is sine of integration sine of twice x into dx hope you understand these two steps and after that it is minus 1 by 4 and it become sine 2 sine a cos a that is sine of twice a so it is sine of 2 of thrice a that is 6a into dx now you see all of them are converted to integrable function so integrate it now on doing the integration what I'll have let me write down above so here it is 1 by 4 applying formula for sin 4x what is the integration of sin 4x minus cos 4x minus cos 4x by 4 again 1 by 4 is there sin twice x that is minus cos twice x by 2 mx by m minus 1 by 4 sin 6x minus cos 6x by c plus by 6 plus c do combine the constants minus 1 by 16 cos of 4x plus minus is minus 1 by 8 cos of twice x then it is minus 1 by 24 cos of 6x plus c. So this is the solution. Minus minus it become plus. So this is the solution of the question. Hope you understand it, how to do combined when there is sign. So product of, as I have done, the product of 3 together. So the next question, number 7, is the product of sign, 2 sign function. So just one part of the above question. Manke 6 to janeke korisila, 7 to eke dhorne korile hol. 7 to compare 6 to parilar 7 to hohoje hoi jabo. Hope you can do it yourself. Okay. Now I go to the next question, number 8. Little bit different. Okay, that will not be. Question number 8 is, your question number 8 is integration of 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x into dx. You see, here no need to use any substitution because it is a standard formula. You know, cos of 1 plus twice x is 2 cos square x, and cos of 1 minus cos twice x is 2 sin square x. Because sin square cos square can be converted in terms of cos of double angle formula I had told you. These are important. Twice x formula is known to you. So when we have x, you will have half angle, submultiple angle. So it can be written as integration to, when there is negative, sin square x by 2. See, single, remember it? It convert to submultiple angle. X thakile tomalkor x by 2 hobo, twice x thakile janeke x hoy. Ako yate ki hobo 2 cos square x by 2 into dx. This 2 will be cancelled out. What is left? Tan square x by 2 into dx. Now see, this is convert to square of tan function. Difference is there, I need here x. So substitute it and convert it into record form. Put x by 2 is equal to t. Half is there. Dx equal to dt. So dx will be equal to 2 dt. Half I just constant outside. So it become 2. Integration of tan square t into dt. So moi tomalok olop last class video koisilu ki kori tan thakile ami how to convert it in terms of sec square t minus 1 into dt. Now do integration. 2 integration of sec square t is what? Tan t minus 2 integration of dt is t plus c, and ultimately you change t in terms of x by 2. So what we'll have here, this is equal to 2 tan t. T means x by 2. Okay, 2 tan x by 2, and this is minus 2t, minus 2. T means again x by 2 plus c. 2 will be cancelled out. So what is the answer? 2 tan x by 2 minus x plus c is the answer of the question. Hope you understand it. Now I go to the next question, number 9. Questions are of different types. So when I had told you what are the method I am going to use and why I have to use these things. I go to now question number 9. Your question number 9 is, and also one more thing, the same question you can solve it by using different methods also. Beleg method use for you solve koribo para. One of the method I discuss here. So here the question I want to solve without using substitution. Then you know that if we have 1 by 1 plus sin x, 1 by 1 plus cos x, or 1 by 1 minus sin x, or 1 by 1 plus sin x, then I go to multiply the denominator as the opposite sign. That means here when we have 1 plus cos x, I'll go to multiply it by 1 minus cos x. So that is convert to a single expression. Because if you do the product of 1 minus cos x and 1 plus cos x, then it will be 1 minus cos square x, which is sin square x. So convert to single expression. Is not it? So that type of questions are done. But before that, I have to change the numerator. Because numerator cos, we cannot do it. So what I am going to do, by inspection, I want to convert it into that form. For that purpose, I add 1 in the numerator and subtract 1. Remain as it is. Then I will go to separate into 2 integrals. I combine this together, which can be written as 1 plus cos x by 1 plus cos x into dx, and second one is dx by 1 plus cos x. Okay. After this, what I am going to do? This will cancel out. Integration of dx is left. Integration of dx. What about this? As I told you, you remember this step. You multiply just by the term. Keep the terms as it is, change the sign between them. And it is 1 minus cos x whole into dx. Because it will change the result as 1 minus cos square x, which is sin square x. So this is 1 minus cos x and it becomes sin square x. One step I skip, hope you understand it. It is 1 minus cos square x. 1 minus cos square means sin square x. Now again I go to separate it as a sum of two expressions. For this purpose, it is already integrated. This is minus 1 by sin square x into dx minus minus plus cos x by sin square x into dx. This is equal to what? It is minus. It can be converted to integration cos x square x dx, sin 1 by sin. Cos x square is integrable. But in the first chapter, this type of question I had done. This you have to separate. Don't write it as cos into cos x square x. You write it in the form cos x by sin x into 1 by sin x. First, exercise 7.1, there is a solution of this type. I had discussed at the time. So if you want, you can go and see there. Now it is integrable. Integrate, those are integrable. What is the integration of cos x square x? Minus cot x, is not it? So minus minus, okay, I'm writing here one mistake, cot x. Plus, it is converted to 1 by, this is cosec and cot. So cosec x cot x, I can write down this way, cosec x cot x dx. This is equal to x minus minus plus cot x. What is the integration of cosec x cot x? It's minus, yes, it is minus cosec x. So minus cosec x plus c, which is the solution of the required question. Solution of the question number 9. Now, you have question number 10, sine to the power 4. In the first video of this in substitution method, substitution of trigonometric identities, I discussed how to do the even power of sine and cos. So question number 10 and 11 are similar type. So let me do question number 11 there, because there is a substitution is used, and question number 10 is direct question. So 10 you do yourself, 11 I will give you now. So your question number 11 is cos to the power, integration of cos to the power 4x into dx, even power. The even power form can be used for that purpose. Substitute, this is t. So what we have, 2 dx equal to dt, that is dx equal to half of dt. How to change cos to the power 4 then? After that, cos to the power 4t, and this is half t, half I write down outside dt. It is converted to cos to the power 4. How to convert cos to the power 4? Cos to the power 4 can be written as cos square whole square. Half, it is cos square t whole square into dt. After that, how to change cos square? Yes, in terms of cos of double angle. That is half, what is the double angle form? Half of 1 plus cos twice x whole square dx. Hope you understand it. Now 1 by 2 is there, it is 1 by 4 will come out. Before integration, do the use the formula of a plus b whole square, which is 1 plus twice ab cos twice x plus cos square twice x whole into dx. Again, all the functions are not integrable, but some of them are integrable now. So integrate those which are possible. 1 by 8, this is integration dx, plus 1 by 8 into 2, it is cos of twice x into dx, plus 1 by 8, I have to break again this. How to break it? Half of 1 plus cos of double angle. Twice x is there, it become 4. So it is equal to 1 by 8 integration of dx is x. This is cancel out, right? It will become 1 by 4. And then again integration of twice x. What to do for integration of twice x? Integration of twice x will give you, oh sorry, it is t, sorry I forget. Here it is t, na? Sorry, same it, huh? This is t. This is t, okay? Ultimately I have to change it. This is t. Here also it is t. So this is dt. Sorry, huh? I have to make some correction here. It's okay. 1 by 4. What is cos of dt integration? It's sine of 2t by 2 plus 1 by 16. Integration of dt is t plus 1 by 16. It is sine 4t by t plus c. Ultimately, I have to change all this in terms of x. This is equal to 1 by 8. What is t? T means twice x, is not it? So we have to write down twice x. Plus again 1 by 8. Sine of 2 of 2t. 2 of 2x is 4x. Plus 1 by 16. T means twice x. Plus, this is 4. This is equal to 1 by 64 sine of 4t. 4 into 2t, that is 8x plus c. Now I have to combine some of the expressions together to do the calculation here. It is 1 by 4 and I can combine this also 1 by 8. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8. 8 is the LCM 3 by 8. So I'll get here 3 by 8x. Okay. Then here no need to do any substitution. Simplification is not done here. It is completed. And here also it is completed. It is 1 by 64 sine to the power 8x plus c. So here it's also, this solution is also completed. Hope you understand how to do this type of questions. Now I'll do one more question, the same video here. I'll go to now question number 12. Your question number 12 is integration sine square x dx by 1 plus cos x. Okay. Now I'll go to dx. You know, you can convert sine square in terms of cos. Consult sine square to tumalike likhi dia 1 minus cos square x and 1 plus cos x into dx. Here I can think it as 1 square cos square x. That means a plus b into a minus b formula can be used. So it becomes 1 plus cos x into 1 minus cos x whole thing divided by 1 plus cos x into dx. This is cancel out. One expression only that will be left. Integration of dx minus integration of cos x into dx. What is the integration of dx? It's x. Integration of cos x is sin x plus c. So, hope you understand that to do the solution of integration, a chapter to be you have to remember the formulas of integration together with the trigonometric formulas. Okay, so try to remember the formulas. And practice it. Okay, you will understand it. Next class I'll do a few more questions on this chapter. Thank you.